Impress others with your enviable quilting skills with the alluring Go Alabama Beauty 10-inch finish die. This advanced block on board or bob die features 4 shapes to cut one 3-color block in a single pass through any Go fabric cutter, including the Studio Cutter with an appropriate adapter. Although this block has curves, AccuQuilt has made it easier by including notches to align your pieces, dog-eared corners, and a 1/4-inch seam allowance. You will enjoy creating many beautiful gifts and pleasing seasonal decor. Combine this 10-inch finished block with other bob dies and Go cubes to create glamorous throw quilts, enchanting wall hangings, refined table runners, and more. Beauty is in the eye of every beholder with this die, because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt more.